Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c colon and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c colon /. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.